Does your websites, apps, and documents meet accessibility requirements? Do you know how to comply with accessibility directives? We can give you the answer. Since 2003, Anatom 5 has been providing digital accessibility solutions. Our service ranges from accessible websites and accessibility PDF documents to accessibility tests and trainings. As recipient of 6 BINE Awards and a total of 10 nominations, Anatom 5 has been one of the most successful agencies for accessible online solutions. We provide services according to the legal requirements for digital accessibility on many levels, including design and development of websites and browser apps, official accessibility testing, evaluations, and recommendations, accessibility compliance audits and certification, accessibility trainings and workshops, creation and revision of texts in easy-to-read language, production of accessible PDF documents, UX concept development with Universal Design Approach, portal development with CMS like Typo3, Contao, or WordPress. We have over 15 years experience in working with cities, municipalities, cultural institutions, ministries, municipal service providers, and urban tourism and marketing companies. In other words, we are the right partner when accessibility really matters. Get in touch with us at info@anatom5.de.